Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about right join in structure query language. The right join returns all the record from the right table and it only returns the matching value from the left table. Like an example, we have table 1 and table 2. Now the right join is going to return all the record from the table 2, but it is going to only return the matching value from the table 1. And the syntax of right join is we have to write select and then the column name from table 1 name right join table 2 name on table 1 dot column name equal table 2 dot column name. Here the column name sets the relationship between table 1 and table 2. Like an example, we have two tables, order table and customer table, and here the CID column of the orders table referring to the CID column of the customers table. So the CID column sets the relationship between orders table and the customers table. Now to perform the right join between these two tables, we have to write select customers.name. So we are selecting the name column of the customers table, and orders.orderID. So we are selecting order ID column from the orders table, and then we have to write from the table customers right join the table orders on customers.cid equal orders.cid. Here the CID column sets the relationship between customer table and the orders table, and this query will perform the right join between the customers table and the orders table. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.